Hello and welcome to Chrome Story. Here we talk about Google Chrome and other Chromium based browsers. So that means Edge is also part of our list of topics. So today I want to show you how to manage extensions on your Microsoft Edge browser. Now, to open the extensions management page, you click these three dots on the top right corner, and from that menu open extensions. You get a little pop-up. If you have extensions, you should see them here, but I would recommend going to manage extensions page here, and then you'll see all the installed extensions. So you'll see that Google Docs Offline is an extension that I have installed. Now with Edge, you have two places from where you can download and install extensions. One is the Microsoft Edge gallery of extensions similar to the Chrome Web Store, and you can find extensions from Chrome Web Store and install those as well. Remember, this is Chromium based browser, and almost all the Chromium based browsers can download and install extensions from the Chrome Web Store. So once you find an extension that you're looking for, let's pick Grammarly, which is one of my favorite extensions. Click add extension to confirm, and then give it a second for it to download and install on your computer. Yep, it's ready. So you should actually see it here. Now anytime you want to disable or remove an extension, you can open the extensions page like we did here, and then use this toggle to enable or disable the extension. And whenever you have this icon here, that also lets you quickly open the extensions page and manage it from there. And to remove an extension, click remove link right next to it. That's how you delete or uninstall an extension from Edge. And this is another option. This lets you download and install extensions from third-party sites. So I wouldn't recommend that unless you really want to do that. Developer mode is similar to Google Chrome extensions page. This is where you manually update your extensions if you think it's not getting automatically updated, which it should in an ideal scenario. And if you are a developer, this load, unpacked, and pack extension options here. So let me toggle that off. So yeah, this is how you manage extensions on your Edge browser. And for pro users out there, if you don't want to open the extensions page from here, you can always type in edge : / extensions, just like Chrome / extensions on the Google Chrome browser. Replace Chrome with Edge here, and you get to the extensions page. So that is how you manage browser extensions and apps on your Edge browser. I hope you found this little tutorial useful. If you did, let me know by clicking that like button. And if you find things that you would like to see, if there are things that you would like to see on this channel, drop me a comment and I will pick those up from there. And as always, thank you for watching.